Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto 40 Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by opening Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. When you're ready, hit this little icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom left corner. Now just click on your photos that you wish to apply, or select folders and select them from here. You can use one of those apps. Click on those three lines at the top left corner to access one of those sources, or just click on Images filter at the top. Wherever you decided, when you're done, just click on your photo. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!